Here's the value of lawyers over anything that AI provides. And frankly, it comes down to one word: judgment. Lawyers know how to advocate for your interests, not just explain what's written on the page. AI is going to be great at summarizing information and giving you options to consider. It's not going to tell you which option you should take for your business. Let's take the example of a partnership agreement. AI might tell you that this revenue sharing clause means that partner A gets 60%, partner B gets 20%, and partner C gets another 20%. That's great. But do you know what or whether you should be accepting that split? Do you know what's going to mean for your cash flow in 6 to 8 months? Do you know how it's going to affect your other decisions, such as how you're going to be, such as your ability to raise capital, or what happens if your partner wants out? AI is not going to give you answers to these questions. Your lawyer is the advisor who can tell you if the decision is right for your business. Which causes the second point, which is about context. Frankly, AI is only as good as the context that the user gives it. Without the context, AI could help you make a really expensive mistake. You might ask, for instance, can I terminate this employee? Thinking that you've given the tool all relevant information. But you didn't mention that the employee is on medical leave, or that they raised a safety complaint last month, or that you've never documented their performance issues. AI doesn't know what you didn't tell it. A lawyer, on the other hand, they'll ask you questions that help ensure that the advice that they give is relevant to your business. And the last point I'd want you to think about is the fact that AI is only as good as the training that it's received. Most AI tools don't actually have access to case law when it comes to Canada. They are trained on general information. They may not have access to the Ontario Court of Appeals decision in 2020 that completely changed the legality of for-cause termination provisions in employment contracts. Your lawyer, they probably know the precedent. They know how it applies to a situation, and they'll know how to use it to protect you. And here's another thing that AI can't do: negotiate the actual deal. Again, AI can tell you what the contract terms or the proposed terms are. It's not going to help you push back on unfavorable terms. It's not going to help you craft counter proposals that are relevant to the negotiation. It's not going to help you navigate the relationship dynamics that determine whether or not you'll actually reach an agreement. That's going to be all on you or your legal advisors.